Why do we get lazy about studying? Ever sat down to crack open a book only to feel your eyelids droop and your motivation vanish? You're not alone. Laziness when it comes to studying is super common, but guess what? Once you spot the reasons behind the slump, you can totally turn things around. Let's dive in. 1. Running on empty, incomplete sleep. If you're yawning more than you're reading, lack of sleep is probably the culprit. Feeling tired makes it extra tough to concentrate and retain information. 2. No destination in sight, lack of future goals. If you don't have a clear vision for where your studies might lead you, like a dream job or a career path, it's no wonder you feel unmotivated. 3. Subject snooze fest, disinterest in the subject. Let's be real. Studying something you find dull is way harder than diving into a topic you love. It's like forcing yourself to eat spinach when you're craving pizza. 4. Feeling blah, physical well-being. Hunger, illness, or general fatigue can drag your energy levels straight down. When your body isn't happy, your brain doesn't want to study. 5. Procrastination station. Waiting until the last minute can send your stress levels through the roof, making you want to avoid the work even more. It's a vicious cycle. 6. Digital distraction. Social media, cat videos, endless scrolling. In our always connected world, it's super easy to get sidetracked instead of hitting the books. 7. Boredom blues. If the material feels too repetitive or just plain boring, your brain will look for any possible excuse to do something else. Here's how to beat the lazy bug. 1. Map out your study time. Craft a simple, easy-to-follow study schedule to ward off procrastination. Knowing exactly what to do and when can give you a major motivation boost. 2. Chunk it up. Break tasks into smaller steps. Turn that giant chapter or project into bite-sized pieces. Tackling small goals keeps you from feeling overwhelmed and helps you stay on track. 3. Silence the sirens. Eliminate distractions. Find a quiet nook, power down your phone, and say, "No thanks" to background noise. Your focus will skyrocket. 4. Find your why. Seek motivation. Whether it's landing your dream job or acing that final, remind yourself why studying matters. It's a lot easier to push through when the finish line is crystal clear. 5. Start easy, build momentum. Begin with the simpler assignments to rack up quick wins. Once you're in the zone, you'll be more pumped to tackle tougher topics. 6. Celebrate small victories. Reward yourself. Give yourself a high five or something sweet every time you complete a task. Little rewards work like magic to keep you motivated. Remember, a dash of self-awareness goes a long way. Spot the reason for your laziness, pick a strategy or two, and watch your study habits flourish. You've got this. Now go transform that okay into an epic yes when it's time to hit the books.